Giving it a try raises your chance of being admitted to UP. UPCAT results are out. Congratulations to everyone who took the exam. By just having the courage to take the exam, malaking bagay na yun. Pero, syempre, sa lahat ng college entrance exams, may pumapasa, may hindi. And that's okay. Sa mga pumasa, ang may papayo ko lang siguro is don't miss the chance. Sa mga hindi naman, huwag mo na kayong iyak dahil, well, may other ways pa naman para makapasok sa UP. In this video, I will discuss one option which is yung pag-a-apply for waitlist or tinatawag ding reconsideration. I will keep this video as short as possible lang siguro kasi it's an informative content and mas okay yung direct tayo dito and yung wala masyadong paligoy-ligoy. Okay, so let's start. UPCAT results are finally out. Ang tagal mong hinintay, but you found out that you didn't pass the exam. The first thing that you should do is you have to know your UPG or your university predicted grade. This UPG is computed from your UPCAT score and your grades for the past 3 years or yung grades mo starting grade 9 to grade 11. You can find your UPG from the non-qualifiers slip that University of the Philippines will send you. You can get a copy from the Office of Admissions in UP Diliman. And in order to do that, you have to bring a valid ID. If you will let someone pick it up for you naman, you just have to provide an authorization letter and of course, both of your IDs, yung ID mo and yung ID nung magpipick up. Kung yung school mo naman, this senior high school, ang nagpadala ng application mo for the UPCAT, you can just ask them kung may dumating bang letters galing sa UPOA. Note that UP campuses have different cut-off grades which you need to meet in order to apply for an appeal. Among all the UP campuses, only UP Diliman and UP Mindanao ang hindi nag-a-accept ng reconsideration. Okay, so UPLB. Ang required UPG is 2.8. Sa UPG, 1 is greater than 2. So, yung 2.8 or better ay 2.8, 2.7, 2.6, 2.5, and etc. etc. Another requirement is having UPLB as your campus choice during the UPCAT application. Kung hindi mo naman in-indicate yung UPLB as your campus choice dun sa UPCAT application mo, you can still apply pa naman although lower nga lang yung chance mo of being accepted compared to those who did. Another thing that you have to look into is the criteria required by the different colleges in the campus. Once na pasok yung UPG mo, you have to choose 2 courses na balak mong applyan. As you all know, there are subtests in the UPCAT. Different degree programs require different specific scores or yung tinatawag din na subtest percentile rank score. For example, if you plan to apply sa BS Agriculture, ang mga scores mo dapat ay language proficiency 60, reading comprehension 50, math 60, and then science 60. Some degree programs have additional requirements such as being a graduate of STEM in senior high school. Pero mostly naman interview ang nire-require. The waitlist criteria set by the different colleges will be released as soon as it is already finalized, which by the way, changes every year. So yung waitlist criteria the other year, iba sa last year, and yung last year, iba ulit this year. Now, let's move on to the application process. Always check the schedule of application. Dapat aware ka sa start and of course sa end ng application para hindi ka magahol sa preparation and sa pagpasa per se ng mga requirements. There will be a waitlist form which will serve as the application form for reconsideration. You can either download it from the website of UPLB or you can just get a copy directly from the Office of University Registrar or yung OUR. You should also prepare a photocopy of the non-qualifier slip which includes your UPCAT results. In the waitlist form, you will be asked to indicate 2 priority degree programs, and as I have mentioned earlier, you should satisfy the requirements na sinet ng college for that degree program. You need to indicate necessary details such as your address, name of your parents, and your contact number. You also have to attach a photocopy of your UPCAT results. Kung may kakilala ka naman from UPLB, you can just ask them a favor to help you in the process or specifically dun sa pagpasa ng application form. Just make sure na naipasa nga nila yun sa OUR on or before the due date. Another option is sending a scanned copy of the accomplished application form and UPCAT results, of course, to our.uplb@up.edu.ph. After how many days, i-release na rin yung names ng mga required for an interview. Some people take a picture naman and upload it sa social media, usually sa Facebook or Twitter. So, abang-abang na lang din. If today ang release ng names, nalaman mong may scheduled interview ka for the following day, at sa malayong lugar ka pa nakatira, let's say more than 10 hours yung biyahe, mapapaluwas ka na agad para maka-attend ng interview. Sa interview, of course, the first one to arrive will be the first one to be interviewed. Depende sa dami ng applicants yung pila. Pero I suggest bring some snacks na lang kasi baka sakaling mabore ka or magutom if maraming mas nauna sa'yo. And just be prepared na lang din for the interview. A week after the interview, you may check the OUR bulletin board for the applicants who are offered available slots. And again, after another week, the notice of admission and registration instructions will already be available at the Window 2 Office of the University Registrar. Although there's no guarantee of acceptance here, since maglalaban-laban pa rin kayong mga waitlist applicants, giving it a try raises your chance of being admitted to UP. And I hope you'll consider applying for an appeal. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to share this video to your family and friends who aspire to be scholars ng bayan. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you around the campus. Paalam!